Hello, learners. Welcome to today's English class. My name is Ifeanyi Joseph, and in today's class, we're going to be looking at the topic titled "Using Had to Express Conditions in the Past." Using had to express condition in the past. So, in this class, we're going to be looking at had, how to use had in sentences, and what we can use in what sentences do we require to make use of had. So, stay tuned. It promises to be an exciting class and learn something new today. Had to is the past form of have to. When you talk about had to is the past form of had to. It means an action that was necessary in the past. We use had to in an action that was necessary in the past. That means an action that really needed to occur in the past. That is where we need to make use of words like had to. We can use had to express necessity. You can see some example on the screen using had to express necessity. We have I had to do my homework yesterday. Remember I said had to is used to express conditions in the past. I had to do my homework yesterday. She had to go home early. We had to wait for the rain to stop. So you make use of your had to when you're talking about actions that were necessary to occur in the past. We can also use had to for things in past conditions. If I had to choose, I would have picked the blue pen. If we had to work, it was because the car broke down. If he had to repeat the work, it was because he made a mistake. We can use had to when we're talking about something past conditions or things that happened in the past. Like when we said if I had to choose, I'd like pick a blue pen. That means the person didn't have the opportunity to choose, but just if he had, he would have chosen differently. If we had to work with the car because the car broke down. In a situation where they are required to work, it had to be because an action such as the car broken down had already taken place. So we can use had to in past conditions. In conclusion, how to is used for actions that are necessary in the past. When an action is necessary in the past, you make use of had to and also use it for obligation or for conditions of past, things that are required to be done in the past. I had to study because I had a test. I had to study because I had a test. So all these are things that happened in the past. That's where we make use of our had to. I hope you've understand how to use had to today. Thank you everyone for listening to today's class. Looking forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye.